Today, we will train your English voice using enough and not enough. Notice that the word enough does not end with F as it sounds. It ends with GH. And when we talk about enough, we are talking about having as much as necessary. So let's start with the positive form. We will have a look at sentences using enough plus noun and adjective plus enough. Nouns are the names of people, places, and objects. And adjectives are the words that describe these nouns. So let's have a look at the sentences. Number 1. He has got enough money. Number 2. I have got enough time. Number 3. She is old enough. And number 4. He is tall enough. Now let's move along and have a look at the negative form. Enough in the negative form means that you do not have as much as necessary. So let's have a look at not enough plus noun and not adjective plus enough. Number 1. He hasn't got enough money. Number 2. I haven't got enough time. Number 3. She isn't old enough. And number 4. He isn't tall enough. So let's have a look at another example in both positive and negative forms of enough. Positive: I have got enough books to read all summer. In the negative, I haven't got enough books to read all summer.